Welcome to the second online stream assembly for term 2.
Remember to learn the goals of the fortnight and act on them. Now I'd like to hand it over to Nellie and Thomas for the success criteria.
Remember to look at the board and listen.
Act on the goals of the fortnight.
Write the goals of the fortnight in your homework book, bag, or your diary.
Please discuss the goal of the fortnight with your class. Now I'd like to hand it back over to Nellie, who would like to share the fortnight goals.
Last fortnight's goal was to set yourself a literacy and numeracy goal. Now, all the ambassadors would like to share theirs.
To improve fractions, decimals, and percentages.
Improving interpreting text by making inferences.
For my numeracy goal, I would like to learn the distributive law.
For numeracy, to consistently show my working out. This fortnight's goal is just for the people who haven't yet set themselves a literacy and numeracy goal, so just do that, please.
And I'd like to add in that last week I saw many classes working on literacy and numeracy goals. They look really excellent. During this online video, there will be segments of other students sharing their literacy and numeracy goals, so please enjoy that. Now just remember, this week is a good chance for you to review the goals you have set and start with.
For events this week, Nat would like to talk.
Hi everyone, it's been great to go around this morning and see lots of new faces back at school. Slowly we're getting everyone back face-to-face learning time, and it's great also that people who are at home are accessing our online learning. So I wanted to talk today about our virtues. This week as well we're working on good manners, reception to Year 3 and courage from Year 4 to 7. So I look forward to seeing people using their manners in those classes and showing courage when things might get a bit tough in classes at times, in the yard or whatever, and working together as a team to keep moving forward in our learning.
Now Daniel would like to talk about school netball.
Thanks, Polly. I just want to say a big congratulations and thank you to the students who played in the school netball teams during the summer months. Your teachers have medals to present you, and hopefully organised sport will be back to normal as soon as possible.
Thank you for listening to our online streamed assembly.
Have a good week. Please listen.
My name is Ryan Brandon from 17A. Our class has been looking at literacy and numeracy goals. My goal is to use capital letters for proper nouns because I'm still not that proper good at spelling. And
so how you're achieving your goal, what you're doing to achieve your goal?
I have been using a lot of pressure to using capital letters, and I've been remembering a lot so far. And I used a whole bunch of other goals as well. Our class is trying to get them to work in 1 to 5 weeks.
So what happened after 5 weeks?
After 5 weeks, we hope to actually achieve them, and then we're going to try and do different goals. Over to Sean Prude.
This term, our class is doing numeracy and literacy goals. My goal is to recall the division factor of 3, and I've tried my goal of doing maths at home and at school, and also
So what you're doing to achieve your goal?
I do 30 minutes of maths every day at home, and that's how I try to achieve my goal. And after 5 weeks that we tried our goals, our teacher assesses us to test us to see if we achieved our goal, and if we do, we move on to new goals.
Hi, I'm Stella from 23A, and my numeracy goal is to work on my 3 times tables.
Hi, I'm Isaac from 20A, and we have these literacy goals and numeracy goals on our desks, and this is mine. My literacy goal is make more speech in my work, and my numeracy goal is I have to have a go before asking for help. 7W and I want to share my literacy goals. And they are stay on the line, finger spaces.
And use finger spaces. Do you want to turn around and show everyone it? And where are those goals kept?
On your desk.
Excellent. Wow, I can't wait till you achieve that, Evie. Will you come and show me once you get to it?
Okay.
All right, do you want to give everyone a wave? Say thanks for listening.
Thanks for listening.
So we'd like to congratulate Lucy for meeting all of her One Plan goals. So she's been working on these for probably only one term, so term 4 and term 1. And Lucy's met all of her learning goals, so we've had to set new learning goals. Haven't we, Lucy?
Yeah.
So that's really fabulous news, and I think you're the first child in the school to meet all of your One Plan goals.
That's amazing.
So that's fabulous, isn't it? So congratulations, Lucy.
Yay! Well done, Lucy. Go for it. The first one in the school. We're proud of you. Are you proud?
Yes.
Yes! Can we encourage everyone out there to go for their goals?
Yeah.
Yeah, try to achieve your goals, everyone. Well done.
From the Resource Centre. This is Rhiannon, one of our leaders, Resource Centre leaders, and a part of her job was, as a leader, was pulling off all of our Lexile levelling books, which we've just introduced. So she's had to go and scan every book and pull it off so that I could label it so that it's easy to find in the library. That's just one of the jobs that she's done. She also scans the books back in and puts them back on the shelf in the right area, because you just have to, read the spine label and put them all back. So you've done quite a good job, haven't you, Rhiannon? Yeah.
Hi, I'm Rihanna and I'm one of the Year 7 leaders. I work in the library and I'm encouraging you to come to the library. There's amazing stuff here.